Sneaker world, come in and take a seat. When you hit the like button, that's confirmation you got heat on your feet. In a nest, this is a drip injector with a flavor selective and always with that something South Carolina perspective. We're currently in Swan Lake. If you know, you know. We have the Yuto, NikeSB Dunk, and also my pair that I hit on sneakers. So we're just gonna unbox this together. So let's start with the packaging sent by Nike from sneakers. Nike, we appreciate this box right here. I love when y'all ship it in these boxes because it's not easy to compromise the box. We already talked about this. If you know, you know. And it did come with a NikeSB sticker. World. So what we're looking at is two pair of the Yuto NikeSB Dunk. Arguably, I'm not saying it is, but arguably it is the SB of 2023. Man, for me to get a double up, anybody that know, if you get a double up in the sneaker world, in the NikeSB world, on a highly sought after dunk, both pair for retail, it's rare, y'all. It's rare in 2023. I mean, back in the day, if we talking 05 and all that, it was just easy to just walk into a skate shop and just double up, triple up. But in today's climate, with all the hype, with all the resellers, it's a little more rare. So Nike sneakers, we came a long way. I know I used to talk a lot of trash and, you know, make a lot of little slick comments, but and I'm still taking L's on the app, but I hit Horito's retail on the sneakers app and the Yuto. Y'all, this shoe right here, it really reminds me of a dunk we would have seen in 04, 05. I'm talking pink box release. Easily a dunk that would have sat in the skate shops, but it's very simplistic, but with a touch of jazz, because to the naked eye, yes, it's just a gray and white dunk, but then they just hit us with that splash of brown on the back and that hit of pink. Very tasteful, y'all. Like, sometimes you don't have to do too much, you know what I mean? Simplicity is a spice of life, and obviously I love this dunk because I doubled up when I got that bottom screen on sneakers, y'all. Anybody that's into sneakers and hitting on the sneakers app, man, it is extremely rare. It's like hitting the lottery, y'all. Like, if you hit on sneakers back to back, you might as well play the lottery, to be honest. We have the brown bottom with a hit of pink to match that pink on the back. Man, I just love this dunk. Super simplistic. Personally, for me, because I know y'all gonna get in the comments and ask, where do I rank these? Easily in my top 5 for 2023. And I honestly can't rank them in order, but I know that the Crenshaw's in my top 5. Horito's in my top 5. And of course, these are in my top 5. So the last two, I'm not sure yet. I gotta leave some room for the fourth quarter. You know, we got pop-up girls coming out and all that, but you know, these right here are them. Might be number 1. Sneaker world, get in the comments. Let me know what you think about the Yuto Dunk overall, and where do you rank it? Like, is it in your top 3? Is it in your top 5? Is it in your top 10? I feel like top 15 for every SB collector, but beyond that, like, where do you rank the Yuto Dunks? Get in the comments, let me know, and until the next episode, peace and love, y'all.